In the 1980s, at the City Children's Hospital, for every 10 patients who had surgery, there were 2 deaths. The main reason was that diluted porridge was transmitted through inadequate catheters to help them recover. But imported nutrition products were too rare, and prices were out of reach for most parents at that time. In spite of this, a clinical nutritionist had been researching and mixing a diluted food with a blender. This handmade nutritional product helped save thousands of patients throughout the following years. This caring doctor and nutritionists founded the NutiFood company, and the blender is still considered as a symbol of NutiFood's business philosophy. Each product is made to meet the pressing concerns of the community, contributing to the comprehensive physical development of Vietnamese people. After nearly 20 years of development, NutiFood has become a leading dairy company in Vietnam with 12 member companies, owning 4 modern and large-scale factories equipped with the most advanced European technology, such as German and Swedish production lines, including the 16-hectare-scale Binh Duong factory, the 7-hectare-scale Ya Lai factory, the 14-hectare-scale Hung In factory, the second Binh Duong factory, currently under construction, with a scale of up to 22 hectares. In addition to the strict quality management system, we reached GMP food standards such as ISO 9001, ISO 22000 and HACCP, which are monitored and certified by the organization ABSQE USA. NutiFood also invested to build management systems following standards such as ISO 14001 International Standards on Environmental Management, OSAS 18001 on Occupational Health and Safety Management System. In 2017, NutiFood has put into operation the dry sterilization production line. This is the world's leading and most unique technology in almost Southeast Asian dairy companies. NutiFood has also been certified and attested by the Michelson Independent Testing Laboratories in the US to meet Food and Drug Administration standards, which are the most stringent quality for importing products into the US market. NutiFood is also considered as the first and most unique factory up to now to take the FDA certification for low-acid products, like liquid milk and ready-to-drink formula milk, which is one of the highest risks of infection. Besides investing in production, NutiFood also invests in high-tech agriculture with the scale of nearly 1,000 hectares to develop raw coffee materials in that land. Nearly 1,000 billion Vietnam dong was invested in a dairy farm in Ya Lai Highland to create fresh and organic raw materials to increase the value of Vietnamese agricultural products. NutiFood has invested research and development of products by cooperating with leading scientists and many research institutes in the US, Japan, Switzerland and Vietnam. NutiFood is proud of being the pioneer in research and development of specialty nutritional products. Specialized nutrition for patients recovering from disease after surgery, N+. Diabetic care for people with diabetes. NuCalci for helping to prevent osteoporosis. Pedia Plus Gold for anorexic children. NutiFit for obese children. Rizo Opti Gold encourages a healthy digestive system and prevents constipation in children. We are proud that NutiFood's Grow Plus is the first product in Vietnam and around the world for malnourished and stunted children. Good quality, delicious, and really effective is convincing evidence for mums to trust and use more NutiFood products. In addition, NutiFood has been very successful with dairy nutritional products such as fresh milk, soy milk, yogurt, and recently launched Nuti Cafe Soda Tươi brand with a taste loved by nearly every consumer. NutiFood's solid development foundation is also the continuous growth of the distribution system with 5 distribution centers, more than 200 distributors, with the support of more than 1,000 retail outlets, over 400 hospitals and health facilities, 800 supermarkets and convenience stores, 200 factories, industrial parks, and more than 4,000 schools covering from urban to rural areas. Not only do we bring good quality and effective nutritional products, NutiFood always cares with all our heart for society and the community through many meaningful and practical activities, training and nourishing Vietnamese sport and football talents, creating a launching pad so that national sports can grow further, reach out to the region and the world arena, continuously improving the stature and physical health of Vietnamese children, being healthier, stronger and more intelligent, sharing our love with people, especially those in difficult circumstances, and taking care of elderly people, workers and students. According to Nielsen's market survey in 2018, Gropas of NutiFood continued its third year to be ranked at number 1 in Vietnam for specialty powdered milk for children, number 1 in Vietnam for ready-to-drink formula milk, surpassing powerful multinational corporations, still up to the top 3 biggest dairy companies in Vietnam, top 10 in the ranking of 500 Vietnamese enterprises in 2017, top 11 largest FMCG businesses in 2017, top 50 with excellent recruitment brand in 2017, top 40 companies with the largest brand value in Vietnam in 2018. At the beginning of 2018, NutiFood signed the cooperation contract with Delory Partners to successfully export Pevia Plus ready-to-drink formula milk to the US market, which is an extremely strict market and also the original place that produces milk for anorexic children and is dominating in the world. NutiFood is considered the first company in Vietnam, even in Asia, to successfully export milk for anorexic children to the US market. This is a very miraculous story of a Vietnamese-owned company. NutiFood's milk sells to American children. Subsequently, September 11, 2018, marked NutiFood's investment corporation contract with Sweden, the Backa Hill Group, to produce milk and organic nutrition products. And most recently, January 10, 2019, a ceremony to announce the cooperation between NutiFood and Asahi Japan was organized to build and join a venture named Asahi NutiFood to bring standard child nutrition products into the Vietnamese market. Asahi is a corporation that owns Wakado, the best-selling baby food brand in Japan, and has been in Japan for more than 100 years. Beside the domestic market, NutiFood has been expanding its cooperation and exporting products to many countries in Asia and over the world, such as USA, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, China, and so on, to step forward, stronger, and further to reach out to the world.